Company from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today is Scaventure Day, and I went Scaventure. I went Scaventure Tuesday morning. I actually didn't buy anything for myself today, but I did get some film to show you guys some of the new things that are in. Mostly it's like King Art stuff, so I'll let you guys take a look at the video, and then I will be right back. Okay, so not a lot this week, ladies. Let's take a look. So, let's go with what we know is new. Lots of new King Art. Let's take a look. So we have 50 sets of gels for $12.99. Lots of colors here. And a 30-pack. $7.99 on the 30-pack. Okay. Tempera paint sticks for $5.99. And then also the brush pens in a 12-pack. Got those. Alright, what else do we have? We have the King Art brush sets for $19.99. And the sketchbooks. You get two of them in here for $6.99. Got those. What else? Well, we have the fine lines for $8.99. Lots and lots and lots. Metallic and fluorescent pencil sets. Yes. And then, of course, the foam brushes for $4.99. Now, we do have a few other things. Let's take a look at these. So, we have the Spectrum Noir Aqua Tints. This one is Falling Leaves. And they have, let's see, Perfect Pastels, Glitz and Glamour, and Winter Warmers. Let's see, what else? The Illustrators. We've got the Illustrators here, the Artist Collection. Let's see, in the green, and then the multicolor. All right, what else is new? Let's take a quick trip. Okay, we've got Gone Camping from Echo Park. 48 double-sided sheets. And Christmas. This one's cute. They do have these. Now, these are different. These are gold foil posters that you could color, and they're $4.99 a piece, and they come in these big tubes. They're 23.5 inches wide by 35 inches high. We have Zen Garden, Cherry Blossom, Hot Air Balloons, Live Love, let's see, and Owl Town. That's it, guys. That's really all they've got right now.